Good morning. It's Friday, December 30th, 2022. This is your Georgia WeatherNet morning update, starting out with our current temperatures across the state because I believe this is the big story this morning. Everybody above freezing. How about those upper 40s and mid 50s across the state as we get started? So, some warmer air finally back in, and we're going to hang on to these warmer temperatures over the next several days. But another big weather system is moving through. First of all, checking out our radar this morning, just some light reflectivity from Atlanta up toward Gainesville. Some light showers in East Georgia along the Savannah River coming up from Savannah. That's all moving toward the north, and a few of those showers will stay in that area around Rincon, Springfield, and up toward Sylvania. As we take a look at the zoomed out picture here, take a look at all that red out to the west moving across the Mississippi River Valley. We've been talking about this frontal system, very different system than the last storm. This is warm, moist air, so plenty of fuel to fire up those thunderstorms. Actually showing a severe thunderstorm warning above New Orleans right now, already starting out this early, and they're an hour behind us. So it is going to be an active weather day for Mississippi. And then this system's going to continue to move toward Alabama and move toward us. And we'll take a look at what that means, the severity of that, in just a second. Well, we do have that level 1 out of 5 risk of severe weather for Southwest Georgia. That does cover Albany all the way up to Macon, Warner Robins. Columbus is in there as well. And then the general thunderstorm risk, that's the lighter green for the rest of the state of Georgia. So here we go. Let's time it out as we move through the morning hours. You see those light showers around Savannah continuing to move up toward the north, heading into South Carolina. Not a big deal as far as any rain is concerned anywhere in Georgia through the morning hours and into most of the day today. We'll see a mix of sun and clouds through the day. And those showers now crossing from Mississippi and Alabama by 1 o'clock this afternoon, moving in toward Mobile. So some strong to severe thunderstorms in that direction. As for us here in Georgia, just the mix of sun and clouds. A little bit of cloud cover building up as we look toward Columbus and LaGrange. And then moving into this afternoon, we're going to start to see some of those showers moving a little bit closer. You can see that line starting to spread out a little bit, so losing some intensity, but it's going to be the bottom end of the storm system that we're going to watch after 8 o'clock tonight through the late night hours into tomorrow morning. That could produce a few strong to severe thunderstorms, mainly in southwest Georgia. But you see that rain is knocking right on the door by 8 o'clock this evening. And then we move through the overnight hours. There are those thunderstorms, southwest Georgia. Just some general showers, few rumbles of thunder cutting through Macon, Milledgeville, Madison, up into Athens as well. And then tomorrow morning, going to be a rainy, wet start, mainly for southeast Georgia. So this system's moving a little bit quicker than we earlier forecasted. So it looks like it will be the main part will be through Metro Atlanta by drive time tomorrow morning. Although it's not really drive time, it's Saturday and it's New Year's Eve. So hopefully nobody has to go anywhere tomorrow. But if you do, this is where you're going to see the rain. And then tomorrow afternoon, showers, thunderstorms continue to move out of the state, heading toward the Carolinas and the coastline, but still lingering around. By 7 o'clock tomorrow evening, we'll still see those showers mainly along the coast, a few pop up leftover showers in the higher elevations. And we're going to hang on to that rain chance all the way up until midnight on New Year's Eve. Although, with the system moving out quicker, I think most of us will dodge the rain to ring in 2023. So that sounds like a good plan. And speaking of 2023, Sunday looks like this. We're going to be clearing out. Temperatures should be fairly mild, and we'll get all the rain out of here. So it looks pretty good, just a mix of sun and clouds as we move through the day on Sunday. That's your latest update from the Georgia Weather Net. Now your local forecast from Northwest Georgia to Southeast Georgia.